There are numerous products available to choose bucket floor cleaning system, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did expansive exploration, read tons of reviews, and collected a list of the stylish best bucket floor cleaning system from estimable brands. After much exploration, I set up these products that are very helpful for people like you. However, be sure to know about the price and other information. Check my description. So without any further detention, let's jump into the video. Number 1. O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System. About this item. Removes over 99% of bacteria. Just water. O-Cedar's EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System provides a deep cleaning solution for all your at-home needs by effectively removing dirt, grime, and over 99% of bacteria with just water. It is safe on all hard floor surfaces, including finished hardwood, wood, laminate, tile, vinyl, and more. Hands-free wringing. Our exclusive mop bucket design features a built-in wringer that allows for hands-free wringing, while Splash Guard keeps water splash and spray inside the bucket when wringing or when transporting the bucket from room to room. Machine washable. The EasyWring Microfiber mop head is machine washable and reusable. We recommend replacing the mop head refill every 3 months for optimal floor cleaning results. Deep cleaning microfiber. O-Cedar's EasyWring Spin Mop uses microfiber to effectively capture dirt and grime with just water, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. Safe for all hard flooring, including finished hardwood, wood, laminate, tile, etc. Reaches in corners due to the patented triangle mop head and ability to rotate 360 degrees. The EasyWring mop can reach and clean deep into corners, under furniture, alongside baseboards, and between tile. Does not require charging at all. You push the pedal to create the spin action. 3 refills equals 9 months of cleaning. This value pack contains 3 extra refills, and each EasyWring microfiber refill lasts up to 3 months. Save time and money with longer-lasting mop head replacements. Handle extends fully to 48 inches, with a telescopic handle that extends up to 48 inches. Anyone can mop comfortably without bending over. Number 2. MASTERTOP Spin Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set. About this item. Wet, dry system, ideal for New Year gifts. The wet or dry mop can be rotated 360 with high applicability and can reach every corner and gap of the floor. Add it to your household cleaning supplies today. Works on all floor surfaces, ceramic, hardwood, tile, and more. High-quality materials. This mop features from stainless steel handle, which is non-deformable and durable, so this mop could be used for a long term. The microfiber fiber mop. This material would not damage floors and would improve cleanliness efficiency. Foot pedal. Dry the mop head by turning it with your foot, reducing drag and saving you a lot of effort to clean the mop cloth. So you don't need to bend over to cause back pain. Meets your need. You'll receive 5 microfiber mop refills and 5 cleaning cloth. You don't need to buy an extra mop head for at least 1 minute 2 year, and cleaning cloths can be used to clean any area you want. Instant help and service for you. MASTERTOP Foot Pedal Microfiber Spin Mop covers with 30-day return back, 1-year replacement. If you want to buy more refills, please search B0BNL67 SOM on Amazon. Number 3. APOCHON 10-pack Spin Mop Replacement Heads. About this item. Only mop head. Mop head replacement made from 100% super soft absorbent microfiber strands. Absorbent strings that will not scratch floor surfaces, and it removes tough dirt and grime for a stake-free clean. This mop refill is ideal for use in mopping all hard floor surface without scratching. 10-pack Spin Mop Refill. The soft and flexible mop replacement heads are perfect exact fit for triangle spin mop system for EasyWring. Inner triangular rim size 3.9 and the outer triangular rim size 5.7 in diameter. Versatile spinning mop replace head. Both for wet and dry use. The spin mop head refill are multi-use, so you can use it on tile and wood floors as well as window and car. Best for smooth surface floor, such as wooden floors, ceramic tile, laminate floors, marble floors, and other sealed hard floors. EasyWring Microfiber Mop Heads. Designed of 360-degree spin mop head allows for better corner cleaning, which can be easy for cleaning hard-to-reach corner or under furniture, making your floor cleaning fast with a simple spinning. Machine washable mop refills. Machine washable microfiber mop head refill lasts up to 3 months. Suitable for hand washing and machine washing, saving time and labor to clean the floor and mop head. eco-friendly reused feature give you a cleaning environmental and save your money in your daily life. Spin mop replacement heads, made of 100% microfiber for streak-free cleaning. This mop refill is ideal for use in mopping all hard-surfaced floor. Machine washable microfiber mop refill for 360-degree spin mop. The spin mop refill has soft, absorbent strings that will not scratch floor surfaces. Best for smooth surface floor, such as wooden floors, ceramic tile, laminate floors, marble floors, and other sealed hard floors. Save time and extra labor to clean the floor. Easy to install, snap-on mop refills. Number 4. Broom and Dustpan. Dustpan with Broom combo. About this item. Patent No. D919916. Upgrade broom and dustpan measures over 52 overall tall by 10 width. Lobby broom steel handle is 52 long. Lobby dustpan steel handle is 38.5 long. Offer stand-up cleaning. Broom and dustpan snaps together for easy stand-up storage. Save your space and easy for moving. Lobby dustpan and broom is perfect for all on-the-move applications for sweeping up and carrying debris and garbage. Built-in scraper and comb, teeth for easy to clean broom into dustpan. Clean pet hair and human hair with one pull on the teeth. Dustpan locks in open position to easily dispose of contents in the garbage can without spilling. New updated broom and dustpan set. 1. Upright dustpan is made of high-quality plastic for durability and can be used on hard or soft surfaces. Upright dustpan includes a broom and has clip-attached pan handle for the broom. Snaps together for easy stand-up storage. 2. The dustpan has a rubber lip that completely fit the ground, let you out of trouble by tiny dust and little paper. 3. The broom has soft bristles, but it does not upwarp, recommended for indoor use. 4. 40 to 52 inches long handle of the broom and 38.5 inches long dustpan allows you to stand upright for comfortable sweeping. 5. Broom and dustpan set includes one dustpan, one broom. Attach firmly to floor. The rubber lip is flexible, which ensures the dust do not go underneath. Number 5. JOYMOP Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set. About this item. Household cleaning tool. JOYMOP Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set. 2 chambers of mop bucket. Wash and dry. Scratch dirt away in wash chamber. Squeeze out of water in dry chamber. Without hands cleaning. Mop and bucket, self-cleaning mop. Save your time and labor, let the bucket do more than by yourself. Mopping is just between mop and bucket. Be free from dirty water. All you need to do is inserting and pulling the mop. Mops for floor cleaning. With 360° rotation mop head, it can reach to any corners and those under the whatever places. An adjustable stainless steel handle can be extended from 26.5 to 50.0 inches. Do mopping with your whole family members by this clean home mop. Easy storage. All pieces are compact enough to fit effortlessly inside the bucket. When you don't use it, just put it in the corner and never worry about taking up too much space. Washable microfiber pad refills. 3 microfiber mop pads refills come with this set. Strong water absorption let you easily do any wet and dry cleaning. Washable mop pads maintain quality after washed in your washing machine. Keep long-term usability. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.